This is a Huawei Pura 7T Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system problems on this device. So, if you suspect that your phone's security has gotten compromised, first order of business that I recommend you go for is find and launch the Optimizer app. That's the built-in Huawei tool that, as you can see, allows you to do a bunch of useful stuff using the proprietary built-in tools once again. From here, I want you to tap at the virus scan option and see if there is any viruses or any other security threats you can terminate here. By default, it automatically checks your phone for viruses in the background, so should it spot or should it find any malware or any malicious software, it should be displayed right over here, so check that. Then you can also go into your device's settings and look at the list of device administrators. Here it is. See if any app has this permission that you do not recall providing it with. For example, let's pretend Outlook was the such app. So before I got here, let me first activate this permission. So once again, let's pretend that before I got here, this permission was active and I do not remember providing this app with such important and sensitive access. What you want to do from this point is to, well, retract it, deactivate any given app as device administrator, and then uninstall such app, since most probably the app in question was causing those security breaches. In order to uninstall the app, enter the apps and services category of settings, then go for apps, find the app in question. In my case it was Outlook, right? So Microsoft Outlook, and then simply uninstall it. And the final advice that I have is that you try using some third-party antivirus apps and solutions, such as Avast, for example. So you can find it by launching the app gallery, then input the following, not this one, input the following search query, and find the Avast or any other antivirus app for that matter. For example, this one, or any other security or antivirus solution you will be able to find. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.